Hello and welcome to the TaxTron Web tutorial video series. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of transferring tuition credits from a dependent to a parent or grandparent. It's a great way to maximize your tax savings. Let's start by logging into your TaxTron Web account. Once you're logged in, open a new return, and before we proceed, make sure you've filled out the personal information section under identification. To better understand the tuition transfer process, let's report income for the parent that results in a balance owing. We'll complete the T4 form as demonstrated in the video. Now, to transfer tuition credits, navigate to the left side and click on the Dependent tab. When prompted with the question, "Do you have children or financially support another person?" be sure to select Yes. On the Dependent page, you have two options. You can either create a new return and link it, or, if you've already created a return for the dependent, simply click on Link with an existing return. For this tutorial, I'll demonstrate the first option. Choose the option Create New Return and Link, and then click Confirm. A new dependent return will open up in a new tab. Complete the personal identification as usual. After that, go to the Deductions tab and select Deductions. Answer the question as shown in the video. At the T2202 step, you'll encounter the first question: are you transferring the tuition expense? Click Yes for this, and also click Yes for Are you transferring tuition expense to an individual other than your spouse? Complete the rest of the details related to the T2202 form as demonstrated in the video. Now, go back to the parent's tax return and navigate to the Dependent Studies profile under the Dependent tab. Indicate that you paid for the child's post-secondary studies. Click Next. You'll see a new page titled Tuition Fee Transferred from Child. Select the dependent's name from whom you're transferring the tuition credit. As you can see, the tuition credit transferred maximum of $5,000. If you're transferring credits from more than one child, click the plus button and fill out another tab for each dependent. Now, take a look at the taxpayer balance owing. It has decreased. Finally, click on Detailed Tax Summary. You'll see the tuition amounts transferred, which shows the transferred amount of $5,000, the maximum transferable amount. And there you have it. That's how you can transfer tuition credits from your dependent to reduce your tax liability. It's a smart way to make the most of these credits. Thank you for watching.